What we are now looking forward is the construction of this ultra-modern hospital, which will cater for all the requirements of a modern healthcare requirements. That will include a special mother and child department, a major one, with over 400 bed capacity. Kwa hivyo, hiyo ndio kazi yetu, kazi ya kufurahisha hakika, ambayo leo tumezindua hapa, ili muda mdogo kiasi ya labda miezi 20, we are done with this project, which will be a real legacy for our region.
This structure is one of the major steps we have discussed into curbing our maternal mortality rate. We want to reduce the number of mothers who are dying because of pregnancy-related issues. At the same time, we want to improve the survival rate of the children born in Garissa, not just for them to survive, but for them to thrive and give value to this county in the future. This structure is the standing block, is the beginning of most of these things in offering quality services that will ensure that our mother survives and our children survive and thrive. Your Excellency, we are honored to have such a facility that will be compared with other county level 5s. We are proud as an institution, and we are honored to have your support always as health to ensure that we are doing more and more and more for this county, inshallah. May Allah guide you and guide all of us into supporting this project and serving this community with the utmost dignity.